Are you looking for the best box cutters worth having in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best box cutters worth having that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Slice Manual Box Cutter. Are you looking for a safe and durable box cutter? If yes, then the Slice Manual Box Cutter is the perfect choice for you. With a fresh design for enhanced utility and long-lasting ceramic blades, this box cutter stands out from the competition. The Slice Box Cutter offers a unique design, making it comfortable for both left-handed and right-handed users. Its zirconium oxide ceramic blade lasts longer than traditional metal blades, and changing the blade is safe and easy with bare hands. To ensure safety, only 0.5 inches of the blade is exposed while cutting. The handle also features a lanyard hole to help prevent losing the tool. Although it's one of the best box cutters on the market, it may take some time to adjust to the shape of its handle. Up next in the 4th place is the FC Folding Pocket Utility Knife. Searching for an affordable, compact folding utility knife? The FC Folding Pocket Utility Knife is an excellent option. Despite its small size, its sharp blade is highly useful for various cutting tasks. The design allows the blade to fold by pressing a single button, making it safer and minimizing the need to put fingers close to sharp edges. The carbon steel construction retains blade sharpness for a long time, and changing blades is easy. The package includes 5 spare blades for added convenience. An anodized aluminum body ensures durability, and the small size allows it to fit comfortably in your pocket. Some users reported occasional blade slippage when the lock button wasn't used properly. Ensure you keep your fingers away from the button while using the knife. The 3rd product on our list is the Slice Mini Box Cutter. The Slice Mini Box Cutter is a small yet powerful cutting tool featuring a premium ceramic blade suitable for various materials, including vinyl flooring sheets, plastic, card, and foam. The compact design fits comfortably in your palm, while the textured slider prevents finger slippage during use. Changing blades is easy with the push of a button, and the ambidextrous design allows you to place the blade facing left or right, based on your preference. The premium price may not appeal to users who prefer a box cutter with a blade that cuts deeper. For slicing thicker materials, consider our recommendations for drywall cutting tools. Second on our list is the Pacific Handy Cutter. The Pacific Handy Cutter is an ideal option for those who prefer straightforward utility tools. Sold in a pack of 12, it's perfect for distributing in a facility or workshop for light cutting needs. The simple design of these box cutters ensures easy to use without a learning curve. The powder finish on the aluminum body prevents slippage when wearing rubber gloves, and spare blades are available for purchase. The affordable price and bulk quantity make it an excellent choice for stores or warehouses. Safety gloves are necessary while using this almost naked box cutter, which may be a deal breaker for accident-prone users. Always keep this box cutter blade away from children. Finally, the top product on our list is the Fantasticar Folding Utility Knife. The Fantasticar Folding Utility Knife comes in 5 striking metallic colors, making it a fantastic gift option for friends and family. The knife also includes a charming box and spare blades. We evaluated the Fantasticar knife from a user's perspective and compared it to other utility knives to understand its performance and unique features. The quality of a utility knife relies heavily on its blade. The Fantasticar knife features an SK5 stainless steel blade that remains sharp for extended periods and can endure heavy-duty use. It can cut through tough materials like rope, plastic, fur, and even water pipes. This knife stands out from its competitors due to its superior safety lock that protects users from accidental blade exposure. It's also easy to open with a simple push, making it a user-friendly option. Weighing just 4 ounces and measuring 4.1 inches, this portable tool easily fits in a pocket or purse. Although we consider this one of the best utility knives on the market, it would have been even better with a rubberized grip on the metal handle for extra comfort. However, the added grooves on the handle and non-slip coating make the knife safer to use. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.